In this video, I'll be giving you my Netspend Card honest review. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. The Netspend prepaid card is extremely popular in the US, but a lot of people still don't understand how it actually works, what the fees are, and whether it's worth using. So today, I'm breaking everything down in a simple and honest way. The Netspend card is a reloadable prepaid debit card that works like a standard Visa or MasterCard. Instead of connecting to a traditional bank account, you load money onto the card and spend only what you've added. There's no credit check, no activation fee, and no minimum balance required, which makes it appealing for people who want financial flexibility or need an alternative to a traditional bank. Netspend gives you several ways to add money. You can load cash at participating retailers, receive direct deposit from your employer or government benefits, transfer from a bank account, or even deposit checks using the mobile app. Direct deposit is one of the biggest perks because Netspend offers up to 2 days early pay, depending on your employer. Where Netspend really stands out is its money management app. You can check your balance, track transactions, set spending alerts, and manage your funds in real time. The app is clean, fast, and easy to use, which is helpful for budgeting and avoiding overspending. But of course, we need to talk about the fees, because this is the biggest concern for new users. The Netspend card can come with monthly plan fees, pay-as-you-go fees, ATM withdrawal fees, cash reload fees, and occasional balance inquiry fees. The exact amounts depend on the plan you choose, but overall, Netspend can get expensive if you're not careful. Many people choose the monthly plan because it eliminates some of the per-transaction charges. Despite the fees, there are some solid benefits. Netspend gives you FDIC protection, fraud monitoring, optional savings accounts with competitive interest rates, and the ability to use the card anywhere Visa or MasterCard is accepted. There's also the optional purchase cushion, which allows small negative balances in certain situations, something most prepaid cards don't offer. Now for the pros, Netspend is easy to get, requires no bank or credit check, pays early with direct deposit, and offers strong budgeting features. It's reliable, widely accepted, and perfect for people who want to control spending. The cons: the fees can add up quickly, ATM withdrawals are costly, and using cash reload locations can get expensive. Overall, the Netspend card is a convenient prepaid option for people who want flexibility without a traditional bank. It's safe, legit, and easy to use. But the fees mean it's best for users who rely heavily on direct deposit and minimal cash reloads.